Hello students, this is Sangeeta and you are watching eBengal. We have completed the NCERT Class 9 Geography India Size and Location. We have also completed the NCERT solutions. If you didn't watch the video, please check the description box. Today's video is about map based questions from this chapter. Okay, first of all take a map of India and your pencil with your book. Let's get started. Our first question is like that. The island groups of India lying in the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. That means we have to mark those islands which are lying in the Arabian Sea as well as in the Bay of Bengal. So as you can see from the map, this is Lakshadweep. These are Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea. This is Arabian Sea and this is Bay of Bengal. So in Arabian Sea, we can say that Lakshadweep Islands are lying. On the other hand, in the Bay of Bengal, we can say that Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located. These you have seen here. So, Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in the Bay of Bengal. So, our answer is Lakshadweep Islands lying in the Arabian Sea and Andaman and Nicobar Islands lying in the Bay of Bengal. Okay. Moving to the next question. Number 2, the countries constituting Indian subcontinent. That means we have to mark those countries or we have to name those countries which constitute our Indian subcontinent. Actually, India is called a subcontinent due to its position, and we can say different features of a continent lies in India. That's why India is known as a subcontinent. So what are the countries which constitute this Indian subcontinent? We have to name them. So first answer is India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Maldives. So this is India, Pakistan, Bhutan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Okay, so these are the countries which constitute Indian subcontinent. Again I am repeating: India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Maldives. And in map, here it is: India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Maldives and Sri Lanka. Okay. Third question, the states through which the Tropic of Cancer passes. That means we have to mark those states through which Tropic of Cancer, whose value is 23.5 degree north latitude, passes. Okay, so here are the answers: Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. As you can see in the map, this is Tropic of Cancer actually, and this passes Gujarat. This is Gujarat. Then Madhya Pradesh, MP. Then this is Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. Okay. So Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. There are 7 states through which Tropic of Cancer passes, and this is also a very important question. Okay, which will come in your examination. Fourth question, the northernmost latitude in degrees. We have to answer in degrees the northernmost latitude. Okay, so as you can see in the map, this is the northernmost point, which is Indira Col in India, and its latitude is 37 degrees 6 minute north latitude. Again I am repeating, the northernmost latitude of India is 37 degrees 6 minute north latitude. Okay, next question, the southernmost latitude of Indian mainland in degrees. This is very important question. we have to say the answer in degrees, which is the southernmost latitude of Indian mainland. Note it down, Indian mainland. We don't have to answer the southernmost latitude of India. We have to answer of Indian mainland, which is actually where is our Indian mainland? Our Indian mainland is here, that is Kanyakumari, and its latitude is 8 degree 4 minute north latitude. But if the question asks like this, what is the southernmost latitude of India, then you have to answer 6 degree 45 minute north, because Andaman and Nicobar Islands are also included in India, but it's not the part of Indian mainland. Okay, so what is our answer? Our answer is 8 degree 4 minute north latitude. Number 6, the eastern and westernmost longitude in degrees. So this is our westernmost longitude and this is our easternmost longitude. So what is our answer? 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east longitude. Okay. Number 7, the place situated on the 3 seas. We know that India is a peninsula as it is surrounded by seas on 3 sides and surrounded by land on one side. So 3 seas are Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean. So we have to name that place which is situated on these seas. The answer is Kanyakumari. Okay. Number 8, the strait separating Sri Lanka from India. What is the name of that strait which separates India from Sri Lanka? So as you can see in the picture, this is actually Indian mainland and this is Sri Lanka. And what is this? This is a strait which separates India from Sri Lanka, and the name of this strait is Park Strait. The name of this strait is Park Strait. Last question, the Union Territories of India. Very important question. We have to name the Union Territories of India as well as we have to mark the Union Territories. As you know that there were 7 Union Territories. Those who answer there are 7 Union Territories is wrong. Actually, now it has been changed. There are 8 Union Territories, which is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. As you can see in the picture, this is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The capital of this Union Territory is Port Blair. Next is Chandigarh. Okay, as you can see in the picture, this is Chandigarh. Then Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu have been joined, and this is the Union Territory of Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Next is Delhi, National Capital Territory of India, that is Delhi. Again Ladakh, here it is. Ladakh is also a Union Territory of India whose capital is Leh. Next is Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep Islands, as you can see here, the capital of Lakshadweep Island is Kavaratti and it is also a Union Territory of India. Jammu and Kashmir is the Union Territory, and the last is Puducherry. So there are 8 Union Territories of India. I am repeating the names: Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, Delhi, Ladakh, Lakshadweep, Jammu and Kashmir and Puducherry. Stay connected guys, keep learning. I hope you have liked the video. If you want more videos like this and if you want competitive geography, then please let me know in the comment box. Thank you.